What's up, gamers? It's your boy here. Now we're gonna be playing Five Nights at Juniors, cause my balls is big right now. Yes, I understand. I'm turning that shit down, cause I'm a big fat pussy. I'm a pussy. Cause I don't want to get screeched in my fucking ears. Oh boy. This is looking not so friendly. But like it. But like it. You know. Like my testicles right now is the shape of a moon for playing this. Cause I doubt you will. Before we begin, go over the basics, jump straight to it. Really? Come on, man. Find out who's possessed. Check the cameras. The freaking fuck! Flickering lights or handprints on camera lens. Make sure possessed character mark the possessed character on the laptop. Let's try it. Every time you guess correctly, haunted animatronic via the laptop goes. So let's take over. Okay. Well, it's obviously fucking ready. Chica. Fine. One last thing. Check the animatronic safety from time to time. Call the animatronics conveyor belt for repairs. Make sure they're not haunted. Well, how the fuck can you tell if they're haunted or not? Whoa, where am I? Am I dead? My body, this place, it feels so weird. I seem to be fine, but I feel empty. I feel like as I'm being stalked. But this feeling is new to me. Can anyone hear me? What was that? Who's out there? I'm not looking for trouble, I just need to get out of here. Please. What the fuck is that? Whoa, I've never seen anything like you before. Monday night, meeting a new friend. The fuck? The fuck is it? Okay, that's normal. What? Oh, I don't want to do that. Do I want to do that? I kind of want to do that. I kind of want to do that and kind of don't at the same time. Fuck it. I'm doing it. Maybe? Yeah. I'm about to regret it. Oh, I'm about to regret it big time. I'm about to fucking hate it. Okay. Keep that pallbearer, this cuted baron will crumble to fine. Golly, I wasn't expecting you to show up on pallbearer. Where the hell am I? Who are you? Oh, you're in the Barrens, a limbo between life and death. Of fucking course I am. I'm dead? How is that even possible? What happened to me? Slow down there, little buddy. I said limbo between life and death. You aren't dead at all. Great, get me the fuck out of here then, pussy. What does that even mean? It means you can go back to the real world whenever you want. Okay, great. Send me back now. I don't belong here. Yeah, not so fast. I brought you here to help me with some unfinished business in the real world. Why can't you just do it yourself? Fortunately, I'm not alive like you. I've been trapped here for as long as I can remember. I've been waiting to cross paths with someone like you. Someone that can help me move on to the afterlife. Does it look like I genuinely give a rat's ass for what you think? I can even make you an offering. You help me with my unfinished business, and I'll even lend you help. And I'll lend you a helping hand with your investigating. My English is fucking amazing. I know juniors like the back of my mind. Back of my hand. Go over the bed. Go over to the bed. I'll transfer you back to the real world. And be back here tomorrow night. If y'all fucking say anything about English, I'm gonna just do something. Yeah, I don't want to do this shit. Yeah, I don't want to do this anymore. What the fuck is this? If something runs right there, I'm fucking quitting. Use the camera to search for search for honey animatronic. Expedient anonymity such as flickering lights. Handprints appear when the character disappears and move. Hold when your lap. Foxy. Chica. It's Chica. How about... I remember the minigame. It's Chica. It's Chica. What? Me no like you. Me no like you. How do I? I did, Chica. May I did, Chica. What the fuck is that? I did, Chica. Oh, now we're on some bullshit today. Oh, now we're on some bullshit. My ass hurts from that. I swear the fuck I did, Chica. So, huh? Foxy? Foxy? The ghost is enter animatronic. Foxy? There's Freddy. How the fuck can I tell? I don't fucking know. Alright, so it's Chica again. No, it's gonna fucking shuffle. I already know this dumbass game that well. It's Bonnie. It's Bonnie. It's Bonnie. It's Bonnie. On my mom's Bonnie. Ooh! I didn't hold it enough. Oh shit, I got repair. Call Freddy. Call Freddy. If Freddy's it, I'm gonna be so pissed. Oh no. Ah! Is he here? How do I? Enter W. Okay. What? Who is that? I don't fucking know. Ah! I don't know if they're in or not. That's the thing. That's the problem. I don't know. It might be Chica. Yeah, I'm dead. Fuck it, Chica or Foxy. Damn it. Foxy. Damn it. Oh fuck. Boy, boy! Oh fuck! Ah! Ah! Money! Money! Yes! Hey, first night! Ooh! I got the skills! I got the fucking skills. Hey, it's hot as shit in here. Night 2. So I can just guess it the whole time. This game would be fucking easy. This game is gonna be a breeze. Speaking of a breeze, bro, my voice is cracked so hard. I don't want to say anything anymore. You came back. How was your first night go? It was like anything I've ever seen. The paranormal activity was off the charts. As I suspect, the same ghost has been haunting the juniors for years, playing the same old tricks. Well, if there's a ghost in the real world, why can't you do this yourself? You made this whole thing up last night. Okay. Alright, fine, you caught me. I lied. Any ghost can't go back to the real world, but I'm such a nervous wreck. I can't go back. I've been hiding in this costume for so long. A ghost afraid of a ghost. A little bit, yes. Kind of why I need you. I'm tired. I'm tired of being afraid of her. She won't let me leave with my soul intact. She ripped me to tiny, itty-bitty pieces if she knew I was hiding out here with you. But now that you're here, you can help me by getting rid of the ghost for once and for all. Yeah, I'm not sure about this one, Chief. I feel like a fish on the hook. No, you're right. Let's talk more tomorrow night. What the fuck? Oh. I don't want to do this piece of shit no more. Alright. Oh, that was, I was literally fucking locking in, but nothing happened yet. The ghost haven't answered animatronic yet. Foxy. Foxy's kind of quick. Bro, I don't like you. Close it. Damn, no. But I haven't seen any flickering. Is that flicker? Bitch, there's no one in here. Homie. Oh. Brother. What the hell? Suka, there's no one. You know what? Fuck it, Chica. Cause her bitch ass got me last time. It's Chica. I'm him. I'm literally him. I'm a genie. I'm a psychiatrist. Oh! I saw it! There's a handprint! There's a handprint! Chica's right there. Foxy. I fucking put the diamond on the wall. Bro, Foxy's all over the damn place. Oh, that's why. Foxy. Call the puppet. Brother. Alright. Foxy and Chica. It's flickering. So it's one of these two. It's Chica or Foxy? Yeah, I think it's Chica. Yes! I'm nasty like that. I'm just built different. Bro, I'm actually fucking nasty. Who is... After you shift, you stumble across the old VHS tape. The curiosity is eating you, but you don't know if you should watch it or not. Obviously, I'm fucking watch it. The hell is this? Oh. Beware the mangle. Of course it's mangle. Don't do it. Okay. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this one. This game is easy as hell, but maybe the next night is gonna... What night is it? Night 3? Hey, already 2 more nights and I'm already beating this game. But yeah, see ya.